The rest of them will be going to a B feature in which they try to secure their starting grid spot for tonight's Lowe Boats main event. Here we go, Senior Honda Division. Memory Ashcraft out of Colorado in the 21. Georgia Warnell in the number 28. Owen Wilhote in the 91. 8 laps for your Senior Honda Division heat number 3 for the quarter midgets.
Box stock, Predator, Super Heavy 400, Light 160.
Memory Ashcroft out of Colorado in the 21, taking heat number 3 for your Senior Honda. Final heat will roll out Lime Wilhote in the 75, Lane New in the 19, 8 laps their race distance. Next up will be the Junior 2 Clone Light. Junior 2 Clone Light, followed by the Box Stock Predator Super Heavy 400.